Happy Friday, everyone, and welcome to the Weather Center. We are having a very wet start to the day along the southwest coastline thanks to this cold front that hit our shores last night. Now, this cold front is also going to bring us rainy weather all the way from Alexander Bay through Springbok down into much of southwestern South Africa. And as the day progresses with this cold front moving further east, the rain spreads into the western parts of the Eastern Cape towards the evening. At the same time, isolated to scattered thunderstorms will persist across the eastern provinces. It's going to stay mostly sunny and dry for the central and eastern parts of the Northern Cape. Now we are going to stay with scattered thunderstorms this Friday in the areas highlighted by that dark shade of blue, especially over the Free State, Northwest, Gauteng, much of Limpopo and Mpumalanga, pushing down into the eastern areas of the Eastern Cape. A 40% chance of thunderstorms is forecast for much of KwaZulu-Natal. We are also expecting a 40% chance of rain for the southern and western areas, but scattered rains are possible along the southwest coastline. Afternoon temperatures are going to be much warmer compared to what we saw on Thursday across the eastern and northern parts of the country. Pretoria will hit the 30-degree mark, 35 for the highs around Mbombela and Palabora. A high of 33 is forecast for Mahikeng. Big winds are going to allow for sizzling hot temperatures across much of the KwaZulu-Natal interior. Pietermaritzburg shooting to around 36. A warm 30 is forecast from Tata, the same for Queenstown and Bloemfontein. It's going to stay breezy this Friday along much of the east coast, and we're also expecting a hot one around Richards Bay. A high of 30 for Durban. It's going to be much cooler as we go towards Port Elizabeth with a mild 23 degrees. Mild temperatures are also forecast over the southern parts of the country. Also peaking at 18 for Robertson as well as Worcester. Moderate to fresh southwesterlies are going to persist this Friday along the southwest coastline as well as parts of the south coast, but it's going to be pretty windy around Jeffreys Bay where winds could gust up to 45 kilometers per hour. We are expecting mild temperatures with drizzly weather around Sutherland, Calvinia as well as Springbok, but warm afternoon temperatures are going to persist over the eastern parts of the Northern Cape. A mild one is also forecast around Alexander Bay. Fresh to strong southwesterlies are forecast along much of the west coast. Highs around 18 for Lambert's Bay as well as Langaban. Swell heights of the west coast will average around 2 meters. Now on Saturday we stay with a cloud and rainy weather across southern South Africa extending into the east coast, and thunderstorms will persist over Gauteng, Limpopo as well as Mpumalanga.